Hello everyone, it's me Junard. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Torogi Pro. We're going to talk about this app called Firefox Send. Well, if you haven't heard about Firefox Send, it has been here for a while now. I had time to use it, so I know that it can be usable for you and for me and actually for everyone. Firefox Send is a file sharing app like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox, and all other file sharing apps you are using out there. Like what I've said, we're going to talk about why are going to use Firefox Send. Well, for me, I kind of use Google Drive most of the time, but there are instances that you're going to need Firefox Send because of the security features that come with it. Let's take a look into Google Drive compared to Firefox Send. So if you're going to share a file through Google Drive to someone else, then they get to access one forever unless you're going to unshare it to them. When it comes to Firefox Send, you can actually set a password for that before they are going to download it. You can also set how many downloads it's going to be downloaded. At the same time, you can also set how long this file is going to be set online for download. Those are great security features that you can do. Now, I'm not saying you kind of leave Google Drive aside and just go ahead and use Firefox Send. Because for me, I use Google Drive most of the time. You know, there are instances that you want to send a file to somebody else with security thing. Or for most of the time, what I do is there is an expiry date for this file to be downloaded so that it's going to be cut offline. One more thing, you don't need to have an account with Firefox Send to be able to send a file. So you kind of upload a file, get the link, send it to someone else, and let them download this one for how long it's going to stay online. So those are the benefits of using your Firefox Send. I'm going to walk you through how you can use this one and give you a bit of a overview and example on how you're going to use it so that you will have an idea of how you're going to do it. So this is the website of Firefox Send. That is send.firefox.com. You can click the link on the description below and you can jump in right away on this page. You can see it here, a simple private file sharing. It has end-to-end encryption and automatically expires. You can set that one like what I've mentioned earlier. Now here on how you can upload drag and drop files up to 1 gigabyte if you do not have an account with Firefox. Now, if you get to have an account, you sign in and you can send up to 2.5 gigabyte. But you know what? The 1 gigabyte is big enough if you're kind of sending somebody a file. So let's just go ahead and try to go for select files to upload. Here, I'm just going to upload a small file so that it will be quick. Let's go for that and then open. And you get to have some options here. You can see expires after 1 download, and we can choose up to 100 downloads if you want. Or we can set how long this is going to stay online. So yeah, this is kind of a secure thing to do. So I'm just going to do 2 downloads. So if you go higher than 1 download, create an account with them as well. If you go more than 1 day, that's 7 days, you need to create an account. So I'll just go ahead and cancel this one. I'll just set that one with 1 day. You can protect this one with a password. So I'll just put a password 1234 for the sake of this demo, and then go ahead and download. So take note, guys, if you want to go higher than 1 gigabyte, you need to have an account with Firefox Send. At the same time, if you need to have more than 1 download in more than 1 day that this is going to stay online, you need to sign in with Firefox Send. So let's go ahead and upload this one. I'll just go to the minimum. So upload. There you go. Your file is encrypted and ready to send. So copy this one or just go in copy link. And I'll open up another browser. I'll just go for Brave because I use Brave. I'll just go for Brave and kind of paste that link here. Paste. And then download this one. And what is the password? It's going to require me for the password. I'll just put in 1234 and unlock. Alright. We get to download the file and kaboom. I'm just going to save it there. Save. And open up. Ta-da! I got the downloaded file right now. Just to mention, guys, the Firefox Send can be used on any browser. You can use it on Brave, like just type in Firefox Send and that will still be usable. That is all about our Firefox Send, guys. And if it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe right now. Help me make a dream of 100,000 subscribers. If you have learned something from this video, like it right now. Share it to your friends. Drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this video. Goodbye and see you in my next video.